I am hungry. I didn't have anything since the breakfast of smoothie in the morning. I want to make something that is quick and easy at the same time being relatively healthy. So it won't be completely raw food which I am usually used to, but some small sacrifice here and there, yet being a healthy item. So let me see what I am going to do today. This is one Dosakai or yellow cucumber, popular in southern part of India. Some tomatoes, some green chili, a few curry leaves, some chilli flakes, pinch of sea salt, a few roasted peanuts and some puffed rice. These are all the items I have got now, and I am going to make a simple chaat out of this. Peel off the yellow cucumber or the Asian cucumber. There is nothing wrong with eating the seeds, but in this particular recipe I just do not want the seeds to be eaten. I've dumped everything now except two very important, no actually three important ingredients. I'll have quite a few of these roasted peanuts. Fair amount of chilli flakes. Like to spice it up, and then a little bit of salt. The taste for any chaat is primarily based on how well they are mixed together. In a chaat, we are retaining the individual taste of each ingredient. We are not grinding or blending anything, but at the same time, when you take a spoonful, you would like to have the taste of all of them in your mouth together. That's what this is about. I think this has come out very well. I am going to enjoy this now and watch something on the TV, probably a movie. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.